Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Toolers. Problem in checking homework, assignments? It will be a lot easy with this software. Log into Bakpax.com. Import Google Classroom or build your classroom from scratch. Create new classroom and assign subject and grades. Teachers can create, import or use assignments from library. Here I am creating a demo classroom and assignment to make you understand the flow of the software. Type in the questions and answers key of the assignments. You can even import text from the PDF. You can assign the homework to students, and even set the time frame to complete it and submit the assignments. Teachers can tweak some settings to help students. Teachers can give login code to students or create username and password to give access to the students. Students can log in and submit the assignments even on their cell phone. They can even send photo of the assignments. After submitting the assignments, the AI checks the assignment for answers, and then grade the student's performance accordingly. Thanks for watching Tech Toolers. Please press like, hit subscribe and press the bell notification icon.